What's going on, everybody? My name is Elijah, and if you read the title of this video, then you might think I'm some sort of monster. I might be, but hopefully not because of this. Obviously, I'm going to be building a toy helicopter this week, but this video is as much about a story as it is the actual build. Now, the idea behind this is sort of just a way for me to share a little bit about myself. Channels don't really grow without viewers making a connection with creators, and it's difficult for me to do that within the minute-long, awkward talking segments that I do. This story starts about 30 years ago, give or take a few, with this. My father built this plane for my older brother, and eventually a few years later after I was born, it kind of got passed on to me. Today it's now played with by my son. It's one of his favorite toys and it sparked his fascination with anything that flies. As you can see on the tail and the wing, there's some char there. That's because about 18 years ago when I was 6, our house burned down. And while this was not one of the things that we were able to pull out, it was something that managed to survive the flames. Now, when I build something that is meant to accompany another item, I'm a stickler for trying to get it to match as close as possible. If I build some sort of furniture or something for my house, it has to be the same wood, same stain, same style, same everything. So when it came to making this, I had to put a lot of thought into making it match with something that has so much family history in it. And while I'll skip over the specifics of the design, one thing that's absolutely worth mentioning is the wood used. Now, it's my best guess that the wood my father used to build that plane is just some plain old yellow pine, estimated at about 30 to 40 years old. Now, I don't have any 30 to 40 year old yellow pine scraps laying around, but what I do have is a nice chunk of heart pine. This specific cut is from the bottom of a door that my father and I restored for my house. And what's interesting about it is that this piece of wood is about 100 years old, which makes it ironic that the helicopter I built for my 2-year-old son this week is more than twice the age of the plane that my father built so long ago. Now, by this point, you still might be thinking that this all sounds nice and good, but what the hell does this have to do with why I'm setting my kid's toy on fire? Well, as I said, I'm a stickler for a matching pair. And I don't know, it sounded like a good idea when I came up with it. Hey, bud, come here. Do you like your helicopter?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Do you want to set it on fire?
Yeah.
Do you still like it?
I like it.
It's just like your plane now. All right, buddy, I love you. Now get out of here, rascal. Anyways, here's hoping that in a few decades my son will one day be building some sort of a wooden toy, maybe a boat or a car, and setting it on fire in front of his kids, and continue on the cycle from there. Alright, as always, thank you guys for watching, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.